In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace an exterior door handle on a Nissan Frontier, located on the outside of each door. With the door open, you're going to see a plastic cup right here. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver or something trim tool to pop that cover off, and that gives you access to the mounting part of the external handle. So once that little cap is off, you can look right in there and you'll see a mounting screw. On this particular vehicle, it is a T30. That's a Torx bit. And we're going to go right in and loosen it. We're going to take it almost all the way out. It doesn't come all the way out of the actual handle because they want you to leave it in there. It seats itself. There's a little tabs right there that hold it in place. So once that's all set, make sure your window's all the way down. So if you do shut the door, you can use the inside handle to open the door. So now I'm just going to pull this lock part right out of the way. With that out of the way, you can just pull the handle forward and pull this out. So we're going to put the front part in first at an angle, get that lock out of the way, line that up, push it forward just like that. Let's line that up, open the door. Now we're going to take our T30. It's already in place, and tighten it up. There is no torque specs for this because it's plastic, so once you bottom it out, give it a 1/4 of a turn. We'll reinstall that plastic cover. Now let's shut the door. Good to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.